If your New Year's resolution was to make money online or start a side hustle, here's when you can start in less than a week with no skills. All you need is ChatGPT. For this idea, we're going to start a print-on-demand clothing store, but we're going to leverage AI to take care of all the design ideas and concepts for us, so we don't really have to do anything at all. If you don't know, print-on-demand is just a way to sell clothing without actually buying inventory. You basically just sell a design, and whenever you get one order of that design, the print-on-demand company will go and print one unit of that t-shirt and then ship it out to your customer for you. You never have to touch inventory. This is really good for people with a low starting budget because you don't want to have to buy 50 units of inventory for a t-shirt that you don't even know if you're going to sell. Anyway, here's the first AI prompt I used. I decided to make a motivational t-shirt brand for people that go to the gym. My prompt was super simple. You can make it more in depth if you want to, but this honestly did the trick for me. And I was honestly really impressed with how ChatGPT did. It gave me back 5 really good designs. This is the first one, rise and grind with like a sunrise behind a barbell for people that work out early in the morning. I thought that was really clever. Next, I fed that exact design description into DALL-E and asked for a photo mock-up of a t-shirt, and this is what it gave me back. Again, did really well. Once you have your design descriptions and your product mockups, you can go to Fiverr or Upwork and hire a designer for like $10 an hour to turn them into PNGs with transparent backgrounds that you can then upload to Printify to use on t-shirts. The DALL-E mockups are honestly optional. I just wanted to give my designer a little more information, and I might use them for ads as well. Anyway, upload your designs from your designer to Printify and then connect the Printify app to your Shopify store where you're going to actually sell the products. Printify will automatically fulfill every order as you get them, so all you need to do is focus on marketing and they take care of all the fulfillment for you. That's it. It's that simple to start a clothing brand with zero design skills.